See a different pick. Okay, number 6. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, this will probably be a 2-part. Alright, this is actually a copy of Flywheel's lock, except that this one is a master lock. I mean a Sargent lock, 6-pin cylinder lock. Try to do this as quickly as possible so we can see if I can slide this out without messing up everything. Okay, there we go. Now, let's check the top pins first. So with this being a copy of Flywheel's lock, we've got a spool there with a little T-pin that went through it, just like Flywheel's lock that Boston Bill was having problems with. Here's another spool with a T-pin that run through the bottom of it. It's the same thing on all of these pins. Okay, it's got a spool and a T-pin run through it. At least I got those out there together. That one come apart. Yeah, I know this is going to be a 2-part video. Now, on the bottom pins, serrated, 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 serrated. All 6 key pins are serrated. The plug is threaded. You can see it at that angle on all chambers. You know how I like threaded plugs. So that's what we have in this master lock. Let's see if we can get a close-up of it real quick. This was a real booger bear to open. I worked on this thing all day yesterday and up until about midnight last night. And I've worked on it this morning. This is the second time I have been able to open it. The first time took me about 3 hours last night. And this one was just a little bit quicker. Get it down here where you can see them. So whoever gets this lock next time is going to have a real fun time opening this lock. Okay, that's what's in the first 2 spools with the T-pins run through the spools. See if I can, and it was sticking out the, okay, focus. Okay, it was sticking out of the bottom of the spool. Made it real tough to open, but you can see so I copied this after Flywheel's lock so that I could get the experience of opening it on camera. Okay, please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. And this goes to show you that just about any lock can be picked if you fool around with it long enough. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.